When armed forces around the world need new tools to combat today's threats, they call upon the best in manufacturing and production capabilities. One solution has consistently stood out from the rest: the Joint Systems Manufacturing Center in Lima, Ohio. JSMC Lima's 1.6 million square foot facility is government-owned and contractor-operated, a unique strategic partnership between the U.S. Department of Defense and General Dynamics Land Systems. It is one of the most efficient, versatile manufacturing spaces in the world. For more than 6 decades, JSMC Lima has been at the forefront of military vehicle technology. And as the world's militaries adapt to face new challenges, Lima's capabilities are expanding beyond anyone's expectations. Hi, I'm Peter Carey. Welcome to JSMC Lima, the world leader in military vehicle design, development, and manufacturing. Set on the flat expanses of northwestern Ohio, JSMC Lima's sheer size impresses even from afar. To walk through its doors is to enter a world of cutting-edge production. 1,250 skilled employees man hundreds of individual workstations. Overhead cranes lift and transport elaborate structures of up to 80 tons. And experienced technicians perform extraordinary operations using one-of-a-kind machines. The team at Lima produces many of the most advanced, highest quality vehicles ever built. These incredible machines include wheeled and tracked platforms for the Army and Marine Corps, numerous vehicles for international customers, and advanced future systems and prototypes that will form the backbone of next-generation defense. In addition to the remarkable vehicle platforms, JSMC Lima also fabricates the Mark 46 Navy gun weapon system used on combat ships. The facility also has the flexibility and knowledge base to quickly design, produce, and field emergency material solutions that enhance survivability in the face of changing battlefield conditions. Simply put, Lima's workforce can build, upgrade, or refurbish any current or future combat or tactical vehicle, as well as a variety of other weapon systems. All of this is achieved in a 100% secure manufacturing space. It all starts with the most advanced raw materials. This is where Lima's remarkable production capabilities begin, where these raw sheets of metal start the transformation into the high-tech vehicles of tomorrow. JSMC Lima is one of the only manufacturing centers in the world capable of working with the wide spectrum of materials. Armored materials such as steel, aluminum, titanium, advanced composites. No matter what the end customer requires, Lima can deliver. This flexibility of material sets Lima apart even before the hard work starts. Deeper inside the facility are Lima's multiple capabilities for cutting the advanced materials into precisely designed shapes. Lima's laser cutters are sophisticated yet highly versatile machines that can be programmed for multi-axis cutting up to 45 degrees. What isn't cut by a laser is done with another of Lima's advanced pieces of equipment, the water jet. This machine uses a mixture of water and the hardest commercial-grade garnet available. This powerful mixture is blasted at a pressure of over 60,000 pounds per square inch. The water jet can make multiple cuts simultaneously on any material, from 5-inch thick titanium to 8-inch thick aluminum.
One of the advantages of water jet cutting is some of the other operations that induce heat into the part could create warpage. The good thing about water jet is it induces little to no heat to the part. It's just an advantage to be able to cut anything, anytime.
Over 250 tons of metal go in and out of the Lima facility on any given day. With that much material, it's no surprise that welding is integral to the center's operations. The staff of approximately 200 active welding professionals receives the highest level of certification training. Lima's collective welding experience is over 5,000 man-years and counting. Lima's unique capabilities also include some of the most advanced machine welding technologies in the world. This is Lima's industry-leading friction stir welder. It's one of the few production machines on the planet capable of welding in thicknesses of up to 2 inches. Using a tremendous amount of force, along with heat generated by friction, this machine has the ability to join similar and dissimilar aluminum materials together. The friction stir welder provides unmatched precision without the potential for heat damage to the base material. This is critical for the structural strength and dimensional integrity of the vehicle and the safety of the crew inside. Next to join Lima's welding machine arsenal is the friction appurtenance welder. It will also use friction and pressure to weld round attachment pads called appurtenances. The friction appurtenance welder will be capable of tighter tolerances and stronger welds compared to manual welding, and it will be able to do it in 1/3 of the time.
The friction appurtenance welder is a new machine that we're going to have here at General Dynamics Land System. It's going to give us stronger welds, it's going to give us better accuracy, and it's going to give us the ability to cut costs when it comes to the time that it takes to produce welds.
JSMC Lima also performs advanced welds with its robotic tandem wire aluminum gas metal arc welder. It deposits twice the weld metal at twice the travel speed of a manual weld operation and decreases heat input and distortion by 50%. This advanced process was developed by General Dynamics in partnership with the DoD. Just one example of the continuous improvements pioneered by Lima's strategic workforce. Welding is so integral to General Dynamics operations at Lima that the facility maintains a fully staffed welding school. With over 130 process qualifications, it provides military personnel, area students, and the regional workforce with some of the best training in the country. Students go through a rigorous set of process qualifications to become skilled in every aspect of welding, including robotics. Every General Dynamics welder must successfully achieve proficiency at the weld school prior to working on a vehicle. Among the most impressive of Lima's recent additions is the Marine Corps EFE hull machining line. A vast improvement over older machining methods, the multi-million-dollar equipment uses advanced electronics and computer modeling to machine the hulls to pinpoint accuracy.
The Expeditionary Fighting Vehicle, the EFV hull machining line, brings a new technology to this facility. This allows very unique attributes to be attained on the vehicle, on the structure that we are machining in a very quick manner and delivers the product to the customer in a much reduced cycle time.
When fully machined vehicle chassis are completed, they undergo a rigorous computerized testing process using Lima's state-of-the-art coordinate measurement machine. Specially trained technicians ensure the dimensional integrity of large parts, such as the EFE hull, to within 99.9% accuracy. This measurement machine can identify errors down to a fraction of the thickness of a human hair. One of the many patented products and processes born at Lima is the simple but revolutionary titanium screw insert known as the FredSert. Designed to meet the unique requirements of the Marine Corps EFV, it includes a watertight seal, solid locking, corrosion resistance, and the ability to be easily removed and replaced in the field. The painting and protection of the vehicle chassis is another critical step that only a facility like Lima can provide. Paint and coatings are much more than decorative. They are part of the weapon system. They include nuclear, biological, and chemical protection, as well as low observable coatings to make vehicles less conspicuous on the battlefield. All of which leads to greater vehicle and crew survivability. The Hull Turret Treatment Center utilizes a specialized transport dolly that rotates an entire EFV hull 360 degrees. This is the final build process that takes place here at JSMC Lima. Assembly. Here, expeditionary fighting vehicles are going through a complex assembly process. They're being carefully outfitted with the many systems and components that transform the expertly constructed hull into an amphibious and land combat machine. The Abrams assembly lines at Lima have been working non-stop for over 30 years, churning out the world's most proven battle tanks. The unique team workforce dynamics perfected with the Abrams program have informed the assembly process for all subsequent platforms. This ensures the highest proven quality in the industry. This is one of the legendary buildings here at JSMC Lima, the Test and Accept facility. Here, technicians perform a final check of all components and systems and present the vehicle to the customer. Once approved, the vehicle is shipped via the factory's own railroad to wherever the customer needs it. Since Lima opened, over 60,000 new and refurbished military vehicles have exited this door, including 9,000 Abrams, over 1,000 Stryker assemblies, and thousands of other battle-ready platforms. But the men and women at JSMC Lima do much more than just make the vehicles. They play a key role in their development from the very onset. In the facility's brand new Administration and Technology Center, the brightest minds in engineering meet regularly with DoD representatives to discuss future needs, next-generation processes, and the most efficient ways to anticipate and exceed the needs of tomorrow. The center also houses Lima's highly qualified simulation team. General Dynamics engineers and designers use the latest in 3D computer simulations and modeling to verify the success of new systems and processes. Strategic planning initiatives are already projected beyond 2020 as JSMC Lima constantly reinvents itself and its processes to stay at the leading edge of technology and capabilities. Over the last 5 years, the facility has evolved dramatically, and this rate of change and development promises to continue. And when the final products come off the line, their performance is first assessed here on Lima's test track. The 1.9 miles of banked turns and Lima's advanced measuring capabilities provide a wealth of critical test feedback. Where does that feedback go? Where else but right back into the facility, where it helps make existing products better and informs the development of vehicles we haven't yet imagined. With the strategic involvement of the Department of Defense and General Dynamics' proven seal of quality, the Joint Systems Manufacturing Center in Lima will continue to be the world's most capable manufacturing solution well into the future. JSMC Lima, where the future of the world's militaries is being made today.